Hi, I'm Marika Newman, and I'm going to show you how to make a photograph look old. You will need a computer, a photo editing program, and your photograph. The first step is to open up your photograph in the photo editing program of your choice. I will be using Adobe Photoshop. To increase the darkness of the photo and make it look more aged, adjust the brightness and contrast. Do this by going into Image, Adjustments, and Brightness Contrast. A higher contrast, low brightness photo looks older, but play with the levels yourself to find the look you want. Adding sepia tones can also make a photo look aged. First, take away all the color by desaturating the photo, which you can do by selecting Image, Adjustments, and Desaturate. Now select Image, Adjustments, Color Balance. Once there, it'll give you 3 color options. In the last option, which ranges from yellow to blue, move the color balance more towards the yellow side. Your photo should now have an aged yellow tint. To add some noise to the photo, go into Filter, Noise, Add Noise. Adjust with the levels to get it to where you want. And that is how to make a photograph look old.